Welcome to Stealthy Finance Tips. Topic: Stealthy Finance Tips. Managing summer social expenses. Summer can be a time of social pressure and financial strain. Today, we're sharing tips to help you navigate those expenses without breaking the bank. Tip 1. Budget for fun. Plan your summer activities and allocate a specific budget. This helps prevent overspending while still enjoying yourself. Tip 2. Prioritize events. Choose the most meaningful social events to attend. It's okay to say no to some invitations to keep your finances in check. Tip 3. Host affordable gatherings. Invite friends over for potlucks or barbecues. This way, everyone shares the cost, and you still have a great time. Tip 4. Look for free activities. Take advantage of free local events, like concerts in the park, hiking, or community festivals. These activities are enjoyable and easy on the wallet. Tip 5. Share costs. When traveling or attending events, share expenses with friends or family. Carpooling or splitting accommodation costs can significantly reduce your financial burden. Tip 6. Track spending. Keep an eye on your spending throughout the summer. Use apps or a simple spreadsheet to monitor where your money goes and adjust your budget as needed. Conclusion: with a little planning and smart decision making, you can enjoy a fun-filled summer without stressing about finances. Remember, it's all about balance and making informed choices. Thank you for watching Stealthy Finance Tips. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial advice. Share your own tips or questions in the comments below.